Huh? Achoo! What's going on here?
La-da-da-da-da-da. Oh, hi, Bedtime. It's time for spring cleaning.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh! Well, I'm trying to get a little sleep, champ. Can't you do it tomorrow?
How can you sleep through a beautiful day like this, sports fan? There's so much you could be doing.
That's true. There's napping, dozing, snoozing.
There goes the all-time nap champion of Carolot.
Oh, every year I have to repaint this fence. And I end up painting me more than the fence.
Hi, Grumpy. Boy, Grumpy, you're a mess.
No kidding.
There, perfect. Now for a well-earned snooze.
Behold, my ultimate plan to rid the world of caring. I'm going to destroy caring with this.
What is it?
Sleeping sand. A mere pinch brings on a deep and dreamless sleep. How can anyone care if they're asleep? Soon I will have enough sand to put the whole world to sleep forever.
But no, Heart. What about the, the who's-its?
The Care Bears? They'll be the first to be put to sleep. That's your job, Shrieky.
Oh, thank you, Uncle No Heart.
But what about me?